Tulog na naman siya. Tulog lang ng tulog si Holly, which is good. Are you going to sleep, Zach?
Lift top of buckle. Pull free end
We're
to release.
moving now.
If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Take it tightly.
Tulog na tulog pa rin si
When
Holly.
outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the two inflation cords at the lower
The
end.
boys over there.
If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes.
Ang bait nila. Kanina may katabi ako dito ng dalawa. Tapos tinanong ako kung gusto ko lang lumipat sa kabila dahil may dalawang space na seats. Tapos sabi ng dalawa, sila na lang daw na dalawa. So ayun, eto. Sa amin ni Holly. Malaki na yung space namin. Ang bait niya daw. Yan si Holly, tulog na tulog. Sobrang bait. Lumipat silang, ewan ko kung mag-boyfriend o mag-asawa yun. Sobrang bait lang. So ngayon, eto na ang space. Malaki na. Sobrang pagod yung driver ko. Wala yan tulog simula kahapon. Tapos nag-drive pa kami 5 hours para papunta dito sa Melbourne. Tapos kanina, super foggy pa. Wala rin akong tulog. Kasi kanina pag-drive namin, super foggy. As in, yung pag-drive na asawa ko, tumitingin din ako kasi wala siyang makita. Sinusundan lang namin yung white lane sa kalsada kasi yun lang ang makikita mo. So yun lang ang pina-follow namin kasi wala ka na makita sa daan. As in, fog lang talaga siya. Pure fog. Tapos may mga kangaroos pa na talagang nagja-jump kaya sobrang dahan-dahan yung pag-drive niya kanina kaya sobrang pagod to. Sobrang pagod. Antok na.
Okay, we can prepare for takeoff.
Having to takeoff stations.
Is it good? Hey, hey, you're so noisy, Holly. Shh, be quiet. Are you singing? Hi, Zach. Hi, Zachary. Hi, Mom. Look at me. Bye, Holly. Are you singing? What you got?
Daddy!
Daddy's sleeping.
Look at my dog. What is my dog? What is this today? What is this?
And for your
Yeah.
earphone.
Like more DVD player.
That's right. Holly, shh. Come on. Exchange kami dyan ng upuan kasi ang liit dito, ang sikip-sikip. Yung paa niya raw masakit na. Nandun siya. Ayun. Ayun. Ayun na, natutulog na siya. Pagod niya kasi nag-drive pa yan na 5 hours sa Melbourne Airport. Tapos ang dami pa naming luggage. So, kaya yun, napagod siyang sobra. Right, Holly? And the boys are having fun here playing. And Holly here. Where's Holly? Okay, play. Play. Wow, thanks, Kuya Zachary. Thank you. Thank you, Kuya Zach. Thank you. Pinairam ni Kuya Zach yung kanyang cubic. What you call this, Kuya?
Madagascar.
No, this one. These cubes. What do you
Rubik's Cube. Who is this?
Oops, don't drop it, Holly.
Mom, this might I finished this game. Mom, this is for
Okay. Oh, yeah. Alright.
Who's that?
Can you see Holly?
Who's that?
Daddy's sleeping.
I saw.
No. Are you singing? Are you singing? Yes, Kuya? Yes, Kuya? You're welcome, Kuya. Do you like it? Look at me. Do you like it? How about you, Zach? Do you like it? Hi. Do you like Madagascar?
I don't.
You don't? Okay, give it back to me then.
Give it to Sandra.
Yeah, I give it to Sandra.
We need to share the one put down there.
Alright, you have to share. Good boy. Sharing is? Good boy. Don't drop Zach. Give it back to her.
I love that
spell your name? Hi, Kuya. Kuya.
I'm busy.
Hi, Zach. Kuya. Hi, Zach. Busy ka din? Dahil nagbayad daw siya, dapat may upuan din siya. Ayan, nagka-seatbelt si Howie. Howie! Bye-bye! We're almost here. We're almost there, Howie.
I don't know where to go.
Hoy, nagkakalat ka dyan, Howie. Matae siya habang kumakain. Are you done? Are you done doing number 2? Kumakain siya. Good ka. Ow. Holly. We made it. Nandito na kami sa baggage area. Nagki-claim na kami ng baggage. Right, Holly? And it's really hot. As you can see, inalis ko na yung leggings ni Holly. At saka yung mga bag at naka nice na rin nila ako. Ayun. So yeah, we're just waiting for our luggage. Right, Holly?